Hey darlings, how are you feeling today? Are your obliques as sore as mine? I hope so, because then that means you worked as hard as I did. And I know my obliques need a lot of work. So yesterday I was able to get a microphone off of Amazon. So our video quality is gonna go up a little bit. I'm super excited about it. Today's move though, another ab move. We're gonna attack those lower abs with our double leg lifts, and they're gonna burn. Okay, so today's move is the double leg lift. So what we're gonna start off doing is the hardest version, and I'm gonna walk you down through the easier versions as we go through the video, because it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn bad. So the most advanced version is to lift your shoulders up, suck your belly button to the spine, legs up, and you're gonna put your hands behind your neck, and you're gonna drop those legs down, and come up. Try to keep your eyes on your feet. That really helps keep that neck in line. Whew. Now, if that's too hard, you can just put your hands down and just do this for a little while. You can also take your legs all the way to the floor. But no matter what, you're really getting into that rectus abdominis. I know they say abs are made in the kitchen, but right now I feel like I'm making them now. Now, if you have a knee issue and you can't keep your legs straight, you can also bend your knees and tap your toes to the floor. You will still get that movement, it just will not hurt those knees. You need to do what feels good to your body. Breathe through the movement. Remember, breathe in when it's easy and breathe out when it's hard. If at any time you need to, just bring those knees in and rest, and then get right back to it. So, anybody have fun plans for the weekend? If you do, leave me a comment. I'm gonna do some more shopping on Amazon. Maybe get some lights. Definitely get some things to go with that microphone that I just bought. I'm really excited about all the fun things that I get to learn to do next. Make these challenges even better. So I hope you guys are really enjoying them, because I'm definitely gonna try to bring you some more. Whew. I'm thinking about doing an ab challenge in October. If you guys have anything that you'd like me to add to it, please tell me. I'll definitely take your advice and see what all I can add and change around. Whew. See if I can take my legs back up again. Whew. I don't know about that. Oh, that's hard. Just go back to this one. Because I would rather have better form than get my legs straight and not have good form, because this one is really about sucking that belly button to the spine and really using those abs to lower the legs and not using momentum. Now, I am looking forward and not at the camera a whole lot, because like I said, you want to protect that neck in this movement. And if I was looking this way a lot, my alignment would be off. And I would much rather have good form than accidentally hurt myself. Whew. I am sweating already, guys. So I just started some fun yoga training, and this weekend will be day 3. I am learning about chakras and different moves for them, and I found out a really interesting move to open up your hips, which I have a really bad problem with. And one of the moves that you do to open up the chakra of the hips is to sit Indian style
or crisscross applesauce. And then bring up your one hip, hold onto your foot with your hand, and then rotate it back and forth. And that actually really helps. I was able to get into my stretches a lot deeper because of that. And I thought that was really interesting because I'd never really heard of opening up your chakras to open up your muscles. But I guess that really does make sense. And like I said, I am a yoga novice, so I'm sure most of you yogis out there have definitely heard of that before. Whew. Let me tell you, we're not going to be able to move tomorrow without our abs killing us. I feel like I've already done 9,000 of these. Whew. I think I got just a few more. 2, 3, 4. Woo! Good job, guys. If you made it through without stopping, I am so proud of you. You are a beast.
That was our Sweatember challenge for today, guys, and man, was it hard. My abs are on fire, and I know yours are gonna be too. That was the end of our first week together, guys. Can you believe it? I'm so proud that you have made it this far with me. If you guys like this challenge, please like and subscribe so I can keep working out with you guys. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Bye!